We are officially live. All right.
Drinking
Hey,
lemon water.
drinking lemon water. Oh, Dr. Sebi style, man.
Yeah. I do.
All right. Hey, what's going on, folks? This is brother Darren, Darren Marion, Retail SEO. And what's your name, man?
His brother Brett Milletta.
Okay. Brett Milletta with Mindsaw SEO. And as you guys know, we do this show with Chef Vaughn. It's the SEO for newbies, and it's Let's Build a Brand. And this is a pre-show that we do before we meet with Chef, and we kind of talk about what we're going to do in the show with Chef,
Right.
kind of what's going on and all that stuff. Thanks for hitting the like. Please share this to Facebook. Hit a like, share to Facebook, and share to YouTube. Hey, what's going on, Chef? We got another chef in the building, man. Chef Arel Young just showed up, man.
Where's Chef Arel Young?
Yeah, he actually was in Dubai. He's a pit
really?
master. Yeah, he's
serious.
Yeah, he's not in Dubai anymore. He's somewhere else now.
Okay. All right. Hey, what's up, Chef? What's cooking?
All right.
What's cooking, Chef?
All right, man. Let's go to the homepage.
All right. A couple of things I wanted to talk about. I guess we'll talk about it actually in the show. Is that last week I moved, so we had to skip a week. I didn't expect it to be. I didn't expect it to take so long, but an apartment became available real quick, and I moved downstairs. And when you move, man, you think it's going to take just a short amount of time. It was a whole weekend of that. So I'm sorry we missed last week's show. But in the meantime, I had my team working on the site, and it's not 100% yet. Chef Vaughn has to pick a new logo, different colors of the logo, and I'm not happy with the top navigation where the buttons are, but everything's in place. You can see we started adding some pictures in, and Darren's going to speak about some of the SEO improvements he's made. Just give a brief overview, a 500-foot overview of the SEO changes he's made, and we'll go through that on the show with Chef in about 10 minutes when we do the show.
Yep. You got it, man. You got it. All right. So you want me to go through them now or go through them with Chef?
Oh, we're going to go through them with Chef, but kind of just give a 500-foot overview of the different pages and why you pick different things. And actually during the show, we could show Hrefs as to why you picked, why you used those keywords. We could go into it a little deeper. But right now, you could just give a little 500-foot, aerial view of why you picked. Okay,
great. All right, man. So we see we changed the image on here. We're going to be doing some renaming images, so they're keyword rich. Change a lot of the title tags in the menu to meet the actual keywords that we're looking at. We're looking for vegetarian catering events, vegetarian personal chef. Use word plant-based a lot on here because he is a plant. Really, that's his. That's what makes him distinct and different. Is that he's plant-based,
right?
And so also kind of rewrote some of the content on this page to really fit what he does.
Beautiful.
So yeah, man, that's about it, man.
All right, very good. So like I said, this is just a very short little pre-show. We're kind of just giving you a overview of the website that we completed, and when you stay tuned for the show, we'll go in a little bit deeper as to why we picked the certain keywords and why we think we could break into the Google 3-pack using those keywords, and some of the tricks and tips that we used for on-page, so we could rank in the Google 3-pack for those certain keywords.
Hey, what's up, V-Dub?
V-Dub.
V-Dub Boogie. He's from where? V-Dub is from Brooklyn, I think.
Where's Brooklyn at? What part of Brooklyn?
I think he is. He's in the chat right now. So.
Oh, okay.
He just threw the V-Dub sign.
Oh, okay. Well, listen. So that's important. That's important. All right, let's wrap this up and let's get ready for Chef Vaughn. He'll be on in 11 minutes. Yep. And hey, Darren, if you wouldn't mind, please open up your use Hrefs, SEMrush. Which one?
Yeah,
you use
Hrefs. Yeah, he said Coney Island, Bed-Stuy.
Oh, bad. Canarsie, right here. Yeah, Bed-Stuy was. I'm from Canarsie. Bed-Stuy is where from Biggie was from.
Yeah, and then
Biggie was from Bed-Stuy.
Chef Young is Manhattan all day.
Oh, okay. What part? Uptown? What part?
Let me see. Not sure, man. He ain't said yet, man.
You didn't say?
No, not yet, man.
Okay. Well, he'll shout
All
us
right.
out when we do
Yeah.
the
We'll be
show.
going live. We'll be going live again in a few minutes, guys. So
Yeah, this is just
stay
a
tuned.
pre-show. Just get everybody ready. Go grab your coffee, lemon. I'm drinking lemon water, and we'll get ready for the show. All right.
All right.
All right, brother.
All right.
See
Bye.
you.
Hey, see y'all soon, man. All right, man. All right, y'all. See you soon, man.